The title of this video is Sales is an MFer. We'll say for YouTube purposes, right? Sales is an MFer. It's a tough job. If you guys are in sales, you guys need to know that you guys are getting paid to deal with BS. So sales is dealing with BS, constantly dealing with customers, phone calls, deals falling through. That is what you get paid for. So the first thing you got to do in sales is accept that you get paid to deal with BS. Also, there's a lot of things that contributed to me being a top salesperson in any industry I go to. So if it's solar, let's say I went into solar and I heard people can make, there's guys making 50 grand a month. I made 75 to 100. So I mean, you can make a ton of money in sales, but some of the things that contribute to that is life experiences, going through trauma, dealing with tons of stress. I've dealt with so much stress in my life, right? Now I'm pretty stress free. You always got little things and life happens, but all that trauma made it so all these things that normal salespeople would stress over, I don't. So that's helped. Also keeping your mind straight, right? So like deleting your Instagram app, deleting your Facebook app, deleting anything with reels, that stuff's gonna drain all your energy. It's gonna make sales and life harder. You're gonna have a lower attention span. You're gonna look away when you're talking to customers, when you should be focused, and you should be focused on them, which leads me to the next point. You guys, if you guys are in sales, you want to learn to really, really genuinely make relationships with people. When I talk to people, I'm truly interested. I make a friend. I made a buddy who sold 3 of his companies, one for $50 million. And for Christmas, he doesn't know, but I'm going to send him, he loves Corvettes. I'm going to send him like a little, maybe it's like a toy Corvette for his desk, or I'm going to send him like a little antique one, or maybe like a poster of Corvette. I'm going to look for something, but make friendships. He just sent me a deal and the girl bought a $100,000 car. If you guys are in sales, if you sell cars, if you guys sell anything, and you want some sales tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button on this video. But sales is tough, and a few things that you need to do is really be able to manage your thoughts. When a bad thought comes into your mind, oh man, I'm so behind. I took a few days off. Now I'm like, I have this many sales when I should be tracking this many. Like, it's going to be hard to make a big check. Oh man, my bills, my bills are high. You got to get those thoughts out. You got to start just taking opportunities, doing the process, working that bell to bell, that open to close, maybe that 9 to 9 shift, and put a couple of those days in just to get a little bit caught up and take more opportunities than normal to generate that traffic to make that, that type of money that you need to make, right? And just keep pushing, you guys, taking opportunities, and be really good at filtering your thoughts. When you have a negative thought, when your brain's telling you this, or the way your month's going is getting to you, you got to take those and you got to push them out. So have full control over your mind. Another thing is, there could be a bunch of different things that work, but if you focus on 7 different things, none of them are going to work, even though each one would work. If you focus on all 7 at the same time, it's not going to work. Focus on one thing at a time, and that thing will explode. Energy, harnessing that energy and putting it towards one thing. Anybody who's ever done anything big was obsessed, right? They were obsessed. They were laser focused on that one thing. People get rich by laser focusing on one thing. That multiple source of income thing, that is after you build the skyscraper and build that business. Then you can start diversifying, and that's the same thing when it comes to work and your energy. So make sure in sales to keep that mind straight. Don't watch bad stuff. Don't watch a bunch of reels for hours and burn yourself out. All that energy and that little bit that you wake up with of focus and discipline, you want to put that towards calling those leads, calling those people back, telling those people happy birthday. Keep putting your name in their head, right? I did a couple happy birthday calls yesterday. Those people are never gonna forget me. So really one thing is fall in love with what you do. And there's a quote that says, the person who loves walking will always walk further than the person who loves the destination. Really take that to heart, and yeah, enjoy that journey. Enjoy talking to that customer, and keep that head straight. I do a couple things. I hang out with the family, my relationship with God. I go to the gym and I work. So those are a couple things that I do. I really try to stay off social media unless I'm making a video for you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you think anybody could benefit from this video, please share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, turn on them notifications, and we'll keep the content pumping. Love you guys.